Hi everyone, it's Deborah, and I want to go ahead and show you what I've made with the KSCRAFT October 2025 Christmas cookies. They were so much fun, guys. So I'll start off with this paper frosted fairy tale, and let me make sure, let me get this other one. Yes, okay. Frosted fairy tale. This is Recollections from Michael's. So I made this version of the cookies using that frosted fairy tales, and I used craft paper, 110-pound paper from Michael's, and it's probably hard to see these because of the background I have, but that is using the frosted fairy tale to make all 6 of those cookies. Okay, and they're cute. They're cute. A little different coloring than I'm used to. All right, and the same with the next one that I'm going to show you. It is from the collection Jules and Jolly. So, you know, different colors for sure. So I just used a few sheets out of that to make these. Cute little stocking, the tree, the snowman, and that one, and the candy cane and the star. Those were pretty cute. I mean, they're okay. Different colors, and I'm not used to using those, you know, type of colors, but that's okay. All right, and then I did a gingerbread forest, which is one of my favorite collections from Michael's this year, and I'll show you what I used for that. So the little Christmas tree. I even used the wood grain paper for the stocking, and then the snowman. And that snowflake, I keep forgetting it is a snowflake, and then the candy cane, and then the star cookie. I think they turned out super cute, very rustic type of Christmas, very pretty. And then this one is holiday tidings, and I'm trying to think what I used out of here. This one. It's a combination of 2 of them actually. So here's a little stocking, very traditional red and green, and the Christmas tree, and then the pink snowman. I think that actually came from combination with Holly Jolly as well. And yeah, I used those 2 sets to make these. They turned out super cute, very traditional, except for the pink snowman. A little bit different, but he's cute. And I did cut out the coordinating paper to make the hat. Okay, and then this last one is a combination of Holly Jolly and peppermint plaid. So I just used mixed and matched, and those turned out really cute. So I made quite a bit, you know. Let's see. I made 30 of them, so with 5 different types of paper, and I have quite, you know, trying to build up my stash and ephemera, and you saw this last week that I made these, and I think the bows, the little A2 bows, go perfect across those boots. Look at that. How cute is that? I had to show you that. But anyway, I get to add these to my collection of ephemera, handmade ephemera, and I will continue to make more. I did cut out the, let's see, this is the wreath, the Christmas tree. I cut out the Christmas tree and the Christmas wreath with flowers. I just haven't worked on those yet, but I will. Anyway, the cookies were fantastic, but look at this flower. That flower is going to be very, very pretty, and the leaves are pretty, so can't wait to see what that looks like. But I wanted to share this with you so you could see what I did with the KSCRAFT Christmas cookies. All right, guys, have a great day. Bye.